Hello friends, today we are discussing about the health insurance for the international students in the USA. In this article, we will learn about the living in the United States can be quite expenses in the particular for the students coming on an F1 visa, who very often finance their studies through the scholarships or loans when it comes to the expensive life in the US. Even getting the sick can be unaffordable if one does not take the necessary measures on the time. Getting ill or involved in an accident in the United States is something a student can afford. However, the things happen all of the sudden you can find yourself in a poor physical health or badly injured, far away from home and the family. Worrying about how to pay the unaffordable medical bill in the last thing you need. Do international students in the USA need the health insurance? International students in the US may need health insurance to enroll at the university, but no necessary to get on F1 visa. So having the educate health insurance coverage in a requirement set by the university, not by US law. So you should check with the university that you will enroll at. Wealth health insurance is mandatory for the international students. The second option is that when the should F1 visa applicant get health insurance, you can find health insurance anytime after setting foot in the United States or even before you travel. Comparison sites such as the survey offer different options for the students depending on the policy. Your coverage can start as soon as the next day after purchase. Why cannot I just use my travel insurance? Your US travel insurance is not the same as international student insurance that is required for an F1 visa because it is the short term and does not have the same amount of the coverage. Travel insurance is to protect you and your belongings during a trip. For example, the trip from your home country to the US, whereas the student health insurance is to cover you for any medical expenses you may have while you are actually living or studying in the United States. How to get health insurance for the international students in the USA? Here are some simple steps that you need to go through to get a health insurance coverage for the students in the USA. If they do, if the day you will need to ask them if they are included in the situation bills or you need to pay them additionally and then proceed on with completing the payments. If they have a mandatory group health insurance plan with an optional whatever, check if it fits to you. If it does not, ask them to send you a whatever form and complete steps 2, 3 and 4. Number 3, if they do not have an insurance plan, complete the steps 2, 3 and 4. Check for the companies offering health insurance for international students in the US or brokers. List benefits you think are necessary for you, including the form, and compare it with the plans in the companies you have checked are offering. You do not to check if your depends can be added to the plan if you plan to bring someone to the US with you. I hope you all will understand about how to apply the health insurance in the US for the international students. Get back to our next video.